Expect below freezing temps across western Washington tonight as we take a live look here at Bellingham, Everett, Seattle, and Tacoma. And you may have noticed snowflakes on your King 5 app for this weekend. So, Christopher, how much snow exactly are we talking about?
We could be seeing accumulating snows over the weekend into next week. Several inches possible for some areas. So it's going to be a wintry scene once we work our way throughout the weekend into next week. So go ahead and gear up. We have a lot going on and several opportunities for that lowland snow over the coming days. So let's go ahead and break it down this weekend. This is when we introduce those snow chances into the forecast beginning Sunday night for western parts of Whatcom and Skagit counties. This is where there's that possibility of upwards of 1 inch of snow, especially once you get above 500 feet. That's where there's that better opportunity for accumulating snow Saturday night. Colder air starts to move in on Sunday, and that's when those snow levels continue to fall. We have snow getting all the way into Everett and Seattle as well as Bellevue by Sunday night. There's a possibility of upwards of 2 inches of snow for southern parts of Snohomish County and northern King County. We're actually going to see a convergence zone set up that could dump some of those heavier amounts of snow. That's why we have that possibility of upwards of 2 inches Sunday night. Additional snow chances on Monday. Snow levels actually drop all the way down to sea level, upwards of 1 inch of snow if you get under a snow shower on Monday, but the moisture is going to be pretty minimal Monday. More moisture moves in with another system on Tuesday. Snow levels stay low with the cold air, 1 to 4 plus inches possible for the lowlands. So that's when we have that best chance to see a widespread accumulating snow will be on Tuesday. So let's go ahead and take a look at future radar. We're dry tonight and we are largely dry tomorrow morning. That starts to slowly change, though, by around 9 a.m. It's going to be cloudy here in Seattle, but we could start to see just a little bit of drizzle for southern and central parts of Puget Sound. Notice, though, as you work your way into the northwest interior, San Juan Island starting to see a little bit of rain, all rain at this point. Once we move into the early afternoon hours on Saturday, more in the way of rain. Again, it's rain at this point for the San Juan Islands in the northwest interior, including western parts of Whatcom and Skagit counties. Again, all rain at this point, and we're starting to see some snow in the mountains and maybe a rain-snow mixture in the foothills for Snohomish as well as King counties above 1,000 feet. Cold air starts to move in late in the day on Sunday. That's when that rain starts to change over to snow for western Whatcom and western Skagit counties, falling down to about 500 feet and then eventually all the way down to the surface towards sea level overnight Saturday into Sunday. And that's when we start to see some of those accumulations there. By Sunday morning, 9 a.m., notice all the way down to Everett, starting to see a little bit of that rain-snow mixture. So that includes all of Whatcom County, all of Skagit County, as well as the San Juan Islands and then northern and central Snohomish County, seeing that rain-snow mixture. And then once we work into the afternoon hours on Sunday, this is when Seattle has that chance to see a little bit of rain and snow. And where that convergence zone sets up, we could see some heavier amounts from southern parts of Everett all the way down towards shoreline. That's where there's that best chance to possibly see upwards of 2 inches of snow overnight Sunday into Monday. Monday morning, spotty snow showers possible, not a lot of moisture to work with, but we see another uptick in moisture on Tuesday morning continuing throughout the day Tuesday. That's when there's that possibility to see a few inches of snow. So let's go ahead and take a look at the accumulations. I want you to not focus exactly on these numbers. These are going to change, but notice we could see a pretty good chance for accumulating snow. This is by Tuesday evening for all of the Puget Sound lowlands. Temperatures also going to be cold as well, staying in the 30s for highs. That means there will be impacts on the roadways tonight. It's going to stay dry, cool temperatures. Tomorrow we start to see an uptick in that moisture. Luckily, we see temperatures rebound above freezing by Wednesday and Thursday.